अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि अस्समीइल अलीम मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम SILA 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks PMS 20 weeks Judiciary 20 weeks English 20 weeks IELTS 10 weeks Creative Writing 10 weeks Life Skills A1 4 weeks English MDCAT 20 days Interview 20 days Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours OA levels 16 weeks. Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days. Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Mr. Hasib couldn't understand the example which I was giving because he didn't listen to me attentively.
He should have listened to you
Very
properly.
good. Mr. Hasib should have listened to me attentively. If who?
Mr. Hasib
Mr. Hasib. If Mr. Hasib had listened to me attentively, he would have understood
properly.
my examples by now. This is a point. What? By
Now.
now. Point is clear? Mr. Hasib couldn't understand my examples because he didn't listen to me attentively. If he had listened to me attentively, he would have understood all examples
by now.
I couldn't understand all the examples
Very good, beta.
in the class because I didn't pay attention.
Very good.
If I had paid attention, I would have understood them by now.
Very good, but I would have understood all of them by now. My daughter Wafa couldn't understand the examples because she didn't pay attention. If she had paid attention, she would have understood all examples by now.
I couldn't help the poor because I didn't have money.
Very good.
If I had
If
money.
I had money, because I didn't have money. If I had money, I would have helped the poor by no. I would have no contributed to their life by no. Some of the poor would have come out from the poverty, and some of the poor would have got rid of their problems by no. I couldn't explain the lesson properly because I didn't have rest. If I had rest now, I would have explained the lesson successfully by now. You couldn't understand the issues of your family because you didn't have a chat with the members of the family. If you had chat, if you had gossip, what with the family, you would have understood know the nature of each issue with clarity by now.
I couldn't overcome my shyness throughout my life because I didn't find any proper guidance for it.
Okay.
If I had found the proper guidance for it, I would have overcome it by now.
Very good, beta. My bitiya Tareem couldn't overcome her shyness. Reason? Because she didn't find the proper guidance. If she had found the proper guidance, she would have overcome her hesitation, her shyness by now. You couldn't watch the movie because you didn't, or you couldn't, because you were unable to manage the time. If you had managed the time, you would have watched the movie by now. You would have entertained yourself by now. You would have learned so many things from that movie by now. That movie would have entertained you too much by now. You would have got some theme, some message from the movie by now.
I couldn't explore my country because I didn't convince my friends to accompany me.
Very good.
If I had convinced my friends to accompany me, I would have explored the Pakistan.
Very good. No.
Explored Pakistan.
Excellent. You would have explored Pakistan by now. You would have enjoyed the beauties of this beautiful land by now. You would have expanded your vision by now. You would have contributed no to the beauty of this culture by no.
I couldn't pass the English test
Okay.
because I didn't prepare properly.
Very good, beta.
If I had prepared properly, I would have
Pass
passed
the test by no.
the test by now.
You would have applied for the visa by no. And the embassy of that country would have given you the visa by no. And with the help of that visa, you would have reached Cyprus by no.
Cyprus.
You would have joined no your Sartaj by no. You came over here today with some intention. You wanted no to learn something from me. And it's you to tell me about the thing which you wanted to learn from me today, but you couldn't. Points clear? And it's you to tell me the reason. Because. And at the same time, it's you to talk about either about me or you. What should I have done or what no should you have done? If I had done that, you would have no learned that point. Or you, if you had done that thing, you would have learned that. The assignment is clear?
Yes.
You wanted to learn something new. You wanted to say something. You wanted to give presentation over here. You wanted to ask some question. You wanted to share some story. You wanted to know some other story of my life, whatever that is. But you couldn't. Now it's you to tell me the reason, that this is the reason.
I wanted to refresh my mind, but I couldn't because I didn't find something interesting in the
Excellent,
class
beta.
today.
Ji, haan ji.
If you had made the class interesting, I would have overcome.
I would have refreshed my mind by now. Kamal ka jumla hai ji. I wanted to refresh my mind, but I couldn't. Because Ms. Rafi didn't say anything new. Because Ms. Rafi didn't create interest now in the class. If Ms. Rafi had created interest in the class, I would have refreshed my mind by now. Thumb up. Ji.
I wanted to ask about holidays due to coronavirus,
Okay.
but I didn't ask. If I had asked, I would have came to know by
I
now.
would have come to know
Come to
about
know
that
about
by
that.
now.
I came today to laugh heartily, but I couldn't.
Very good,
Because Mr. Rafi didn't tell any funny story.
Very good, beta.
If he had told some rib-tickling joke, I
Excellent.
would have laughed heartily by now.
Very good, beta. I came to know that I should have given more examples. If I had given more examples, you would have understood the lesson with more clarity by now. And I also came to know that you should have told me about your problems. If you had told your problems no, I would have given some solution, or you would have found some solution by now. I shouldn't have wasted my money over here tomorrow.